Hey, it's Jason Dower here, your go-to business broker with First Choice Business Brokers, Phoenix Northwest. I'm excited to share some details of a business opportunity with you today. If you're passionate about cycling or looking to invest in a thrilling retail business, or maybe you have an established bike shop and looking to expand into a favorable neighborhood, this could be a good fit for you. Let me give you a little overview of this opportunity without disclosing any confidential details, as maintaining the privacy of the business owner is crucial. This well-established bike shop is located in a prestigious high-income community in the Northwest Valley of Phoenix, Arizona. The shop is ideally positioned in a bustling retail area, surrounded by popular local attractions and high foot traffic. It's become a great go-to destination for cycling enthusiasts in the area, offering a wide range of high-quality bicycles from renowned brands like Giant, Kona, Aventon, as well as bike repair services. The business operates from a 2,662 square foot retail space, which includes a fully equipped service area and ample storage. The shop benefits from favorable release arrangements, ensuring long-term stability and continued visibility in this prime location. One of the key strengths of this business is a strong, loyal customer base. The shop has cultivated an excellent reputation with a stellar 4.7 star rating on platforms like Google and based on over 100 reviews. This positive reputation is a testament to the quality of service and product it offers. Financially, the shop has shown consistent growth. In 2023, the business generated revenue of approximately $484,000 with discretionary earnings of around $53,000. This may seem light on profitability at first glance, but there has been some significant improvements in revenues and profits from previous years, showcasing the successful turnaround efforts that management has implemented over the last couple of years. If you own a bike shop yourself, you know there's still some untapped potential here with some further growth, particularly in expanding product offerings and capitalizing this increasing demand for e-bikes. One of the current owners is also willing to stay on as a general manager, ensuring a seamless transition for a new buyer. This is an incredible opportunity for someone looking to step into a well-run, profitable business that's growing with strong community ties and room for expansion. If you're interested in learning more about this opportunity, please reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to provide you additional details and discuss how this business could be the right fit for your goals. Thanks for watching again, and I look forward to helping you find the perfect business opportunity. Take care.